A fire at South Road in the Kencot community in St. Andrew destroyed a house and destroyed items valued at over $10 million. The residents are upset that if the firefighters arrived on time, they believe the destruction would have been less.
There were no injuries or deaths, but a motor car is among the valuables destroyed in the fire, which started close to 3 p.m. Residents say the fire originated in a house, which they believe started from a stove. The residents quickly rallied around to help when a fire alarm was raised.
We hear fire, and we just get to understand say an old man inside the building there. So a couple of hours, we run over there and assist him, take him out, and he's a crippled man, and take him out.
Gregor Graham says his antique collection of over 15 years has all been reduced to ash. He says he was not at home when the fire started. Mr. Graham estimates his losses at over $10 million.
I visit all the sales and I buy antique to sell them. I plan to open a museum. Trust me, that's what I plan. That was the main plan, to open a museum. That's why I bought and sold all of those stuff. Lot of value. Chairs, music equipment, a lot of record. Trust me, plenty records. Antique furniture. A lot of old, lot of stuff.
The residents are upset as they say the firefighters came unprepared hours after they were called.
When the truck came, the gentleman said they wasn't coming for this fire, they were coming from one different fire, but they get a call.
So and then from a fire?
Right, and then the next one, come, no water.
So two came without water?
No water at all.
So when they came, they just stopped and was looking at the fire?
Yeah, because they couldn't do nothing. They couldn't do nothing. They couldn't do a thing to save. If they did come with water, that gentleman's house, yeah, would save.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.